I set out to prove you could build a faceless channel with nothing but free AI tools within 30 days. No budget, no face, no fancy software. I'm going to show you what actually worked, what was a total waste of my time, and the one tool I wish I'd found on day one. Stick around, because number 3 will genuinely surprise you. Okay, so here's what I was going for. I'd seen all these videos promising you can run an entire faceless channel, scripting, voiceover, visuals, editing, using only free tools. No camera, no editing skills, no cash, just AI doing the heavy lifting. I bought into that promise completely. My plan was simple. Pick one free tool for each stage of production. Script, voice, visuals, edit, and see if I could actually publish a channel's worth of videos without spending $1. Spoiler, it didn't go the way people made it sound. First disappointment, the free AI voice generator I started with. I won't name drop the exact one because there are several out there that behave the same way. But the pattern was identical. The free tier caps you at a tiny character count per month. So I'd write a full script, generate the voiceover, and hit a wall halfway through. I ended up having to split single videos into 2 or 3 separate generation sessions just to get enough audio, and the pacing between sections never quite matched. Second one, an AI video generator that turns text prompts into stock style clips. Sounded perfect for faceless content. In practice, the free version watermarks every single clip, limits you to a few generations a day, and the actual footage it gave me was so generic, random stock people walking through offices, that it didn't match any of my script at all. I spent more time hunting for clips that vaguely fit than I would have if I spent filming something myself. Third, an AI auto editor that promised to assemble a rough cut from your script and assets automatically. The idea was great, the execution was rough. It kept cutting on awkward words, the captions were riddled with errors, and I ended up manually fixing almost every single cut anyway. At that point, it wasn't really saving me time, it was just giving me a worse starting point than if I'd edited from scratch. Here's what actually worked, and it's the one nobody talks about. A free AI text-to-speech tool that's actually pitched as a developer tool, not a content creator tool. It's less hyped, but the voice quality is more natural than the creator-focused alternatives. And this is the part that mattered most. The free tier didn't nuke me with a tiny word limit. I could generate a full 8-minute script in one go without hitting a wall. The other underrated find was using a free AI research and outlining tool. Not to write my final script, but to structure my ideas before I wrote a single word. It cut my planning time down dramatically because I wasn't staring at a blank page trying to figure out where the video should go next. So here's the honest 3-tool stack I landed on after all that trial and error. 1. A free AI writing tool for scripting and outlining. Used as a starting point, I'd always rewrite my own voice. 2. That under-the-radar accessibility-style text-to-speech tool for the voiceover, because it had the best free tier limits and the most natural sound. 3. A straightforward video editor, one that didn't try to auto-edit for me, just gave me clean manual control over cuts and captions. No 12-tool stack, no automation pipeline, no magic button. Just 3 reliable tools and a lot of manual polishing in between. So that's what 30 days of free AI tools actually taught me. Now I want to hear from you. What AI tool disappointed you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious if we ran into the same walls.